All right, guys, so today we're going to unbox and try and install my new carbon fiber gas cap. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so it is an unboxing kind of day. All right, let's get that out of the way. Oh. That's not what dude, I was expecting to have like, I guess like a place for like the bracket to actually attach so that I could like replace the door, not just cover it. Shoot, that's a bummer. I mean, look at the carbon fiber is sick. It looks nice. You guys can see it, but I'm choosing to stay optimistic about this. I was actually just speaking to Jesus about this, and he was saying this is pretty much what you can expect. I was expecting to like full on replace the door with carbon fiber, but that is not the case. And I guess that's probably not realistic because brackets have to like attach to the back of this thing. But honestly, coming in here and like putting it over my gas cap gets me pretty stoked because that's gonna look really sweet. Especially with just the little carbon bits that I'm putting here and there on the car. I think it's pretty tasteful, and I think it's gonna look really sick. So I think I'll probably stand corrected on this. I'm actually pretty stoked about this. I'll post pictures when I'm finished. All right, so instead of doing a photo, I decided that I'm gonna try to install this on video. So we'll see how this goes. It's gonna be too hard, given that it's just double-sided tape. I'm gonna wash that part of the car real quick. Chemical guys, I'm actually a fan. I think it works really well. Sponsor me. Do another one. This is like a waterless car wash, and it works super well. I literally use this on the entire car, and it works extremely well. Dude, it is so hot. My wife was just telling me that I'm not built for Texas, and I think she's right. I guess just go on the outsides. I'm just gonna kind of do like this. We're so early into this channel. I keep forgetting it's only been almost 3 months now. Like, it's not been that long. Just trying to test formats that work well, that you guys enjoy. The truth is, like, I keep kind of feeling like, oh man, it's taking too long, but yeah, it's only been almost 3 months. So this channel is so young still. We're just gonna keep grinding, pushing forward, doing the best we can to create fun and good content for you guys, stuff that's engaging, and then also just, you know, we want to be open to feedback. So one thing I would love is any viewers that are returning viewers, leave a comment, talk to us, let us know how you feel about the stuff that we're doing, what you want to see, what you don't want to see. It would really help us tailor this thing to you guys, because yeah, like, this is fun for us, and of course we're passionate about cars, and I'm passionate about telling stories, and you know, that's something that will come to the channel soon, is telling stories. But all the same, we want to engage with you guys. Like, this is really fun for us, so let us know what you think. Here's what we got so far. I'm just trying to kind of trace around the border and then put some in the center of it just to make sure it doesn't fall off. I'm gonna put a couple more on the sides, and then I guess it's time to try and fit this on there. Push really hard so it doesn't come up when I take the backing off. Yeah, that'll work. Nice. Hopefully this stays on. It wasn't that expensive though. Matter of fact, if you guys are interested, I can post a link below to where I got this from if it ends up turning out well. We're so close. It's so bright I can barely see the monitor. Hopefully that was in focus. Okay, so there we go. We're gonna try and fit this on there and see how it fits and if it stays on. You want to make sure that I put it on the right way also. I think the other way is the correct way. All right, guys, here goes nothing. Wait, I think I nailed it the first try. Dude, that's a really good fit, actually. Yeah, see, I should stay optimistic. Wait. That's another thing, by the way. This actuator was out. I've had this car for over 2 years, and it's always been a pain to shut this, and I just thought that was just a part of the car. A couple weeks ago, Jesus like opened it first. I can't remember what he did, but he opened it for some reason, and he was like, dude, that thing's broken. And I had no idea. So now it's fixed and it worked way better. Uh-oh. Oh no. Well, it looks awesome, but my gas tank is stuck. No. Well, that's an issue. Okay, so I have this little pry tool. Okay, I think I might have to push a little harder now. Okay. Dude, I always freak out over the silliest things. Yeah, it's fine. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, either way, that's pretty much it. It looks sick. I am so happy with that. I was pretty bummed at first. I thought it was gonna not look as good or not fit right, but that is literally perfect. The only thing I would say is you have to press a little harder to get it to open now, because you have to press in so it pushes against this little actuator here. Here, I'll take this off and show you guys. This actuator right here, this has to press in for this door to open. So you press in and it opens. Now you just have to press a little bit harder and it still opens. So not a big deal at all. I'm super happy with that. That looks so sick. Honestly, that's pretty much the video, guys. That's gonna be it. If you guys enjoyed it, please let us know down below. Leave a comment, like the video, subscribe if you haven't, if you guys enjoy the content that we're creating, and hope to see you guys in the next video.